Alright guys, I got the kid in another video and we are doing a ThredUp unboxing, but we're not doing the fun box. So let's roll that intro and get right into today's video. Hey guys, I'm Kay and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and I did start a Depop in the last week. And all that information is down below in the description if you want to check out my stores. This is my daughter. Hi. And usually you see her in my ThredUp fun box unboxings, but she asked to be in this video for a ThredUp 15-piece jewelry. So I've only unboxed one of these before. I have my original two that I ordered still sitting over there to be unboxed, and they've been there for a few months. But anyway, this one is from Georgia. I think they're $48, and this was before I got free shipping on orders $29 and up. So I did pay shipping, and it's about $58 shipped to my door. So this is what it looks like. There's definitely some air bubbles under here, and it's got the new sticker, the 100% thrifted and recyclable sticker. Ooh. I will keep these for packages. And here's what it looks like inside. So I do have a couple tools. I have a loop, I have a ring sizer, and I have a teeny tiny little magnet. All right, do you want to go first?
No, you go first.
Okay. Well, most of them are grouped into these little bubbles. I don't know much about jewelry, so I apologize if this video isn't the best. All right, so these are earrings from Express. Original retail price was $30. Little dangly number. Okay, you're up.
More earrings. These are Anthropology.
Ooh.
And they're made in Thailand. The original price was $48.
Wow, for a pair of earrings? Is this leather? Yeah. It's on a little leather thing. Okay.
Got that?
Yep. All right, so these say J. Crew on the back, and they are stud earrings. I'm gonna try to show you one if I can. This little floral here, hopefully you can see that. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but it's like a little floral wreath. Those are cute. So this is the little pouch with all the earrings, apparently. Ooh, those are intense.
Mm-hmm.
We're struggling per usual.
They put them in the row, but well, maybe not. Okay, I like.
They're just too big for the card, I think.
Yeah.
It's messing it up.
These are also J. Crew. I don't need to do that. They're hoops. Made in China, and there's no original retail price.
Yeah, so they're just big rose gold hoops. All right, so I'll do this. This is pretty heavy. I think there's just one piece in here. I see a box that I like in this bag. Nope, it's two pieces. All right, so this is a necklace. Let's see if I can figure it out. Kendra Scott. So I've never got Kendra Scott before. I know when I watch Clarissa at Thriving Thrifters do her jewelry unboxings, they almost always manifest KS for Kate Spade or Kendra Scott. So I don't know if it sells well. It's a like dark gunmetal chain with this big stone. And it has a little tassel at the bottom, so I'm not sure what comps are on any of these things, but I'm trying to grow my business and learn more about stuff. Ooh. Okay.
This is Fornash, I believe is the pronouncing. Oh, there's the tangle. Wait, let me, okay. Anyway.
You say Fornash?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it, but.
You can see, it's just this symbol like all the way down. It's pretty. All right. I'll do this, open this. Okay, this must be the bag of rings. So we're gonna need the ring sizer for sure. All right, so this one says Leah Sophia. I haven't heard that name in a while. It's gonna be impossible for me to show you the inside where it says the name. This is a size 5. It's this little square, kind of like opalescent ring. Okay. Oh, that one's not a ring.
This is a bracelet. Let me see if I can find the. Give it. This is also J. Crew.
Yeah, it's always a lot of J. Crew. Kind of like a chain link. Alright, there are some other rings in here. Okay, this one is also Leah Sophia. This one is a 6. And it's like a multi-strand with some, I'm assuming those are faux diamonds.
Another Leah Sophia.
Woohoo! I don't know how that does, to be honest.
I believe this is the 7.
Okay.
I think, right? 7?
6. 7's underneath, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. It's like a square gem.
Pretty. All right, I'll open the last bubbles and then we get a couple other boxes in here. All right, so we got an Alex and Ani box. I have a few pieces myself. One says love and the other one is a shark fin. This one is like a pearl. It is the Plus Energy technology. I don't know if there's a retail price on here. It says pearl wrap. And I think Alex and Ani went out of business, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there's no retail price on here, but this is what it looks like. As the name implies, it is a pearl wrap bracelet.
This does not have any sort of markings, so.
It's a little gold dainty bracelet with what, a knot in the middle? Is that what that is?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and this is Coach. I don't know how to tell if Coach jewelry is authentic. It does have some wear too, but it's like a white enamel bracelet with some little gold, like, they look kind of like buttons or snaps. But let me see if I can show you. I think this will clean off, but it's just a little bit like dingy over here on the white, but that's cool. Okay, pick a box. You don't want to do that one?
No.
Wow.
You want to do that one.
As if I wouldn't let you do it.
Sure you will. Oh, that's how it opens.
Well, did you show them the box?
Oh, right. Yeah, you're right. It's a Kendra Scott box. Ooh, so fancy.
So I'll have to remember that symbol for other jewelry boxes.
Oh,
it's even got the little dust bag in there and everything.
mm-hmm. Let me just... It's a little, like, iridescent heart.
That's cute.
Yeah.
Any price on it or no?
It doesn't look like it.
Okay.
Let me just...
Is that Kendra Scott on the front?
I'd assume so.
Okay.
Also came with the dust bag. That's what that looks like.
Awesome. Cool. And the last box is Swarovski. I can't say that name too well, so forgive me. It's got like a little foam pad in here, and it's a very dainty necklace, silver tone, and it's got 3 different shapes. It's got a triangle, a square, and is that a hexagon?
Yes.
Okay. They're very tiny, all on the same chain. I'm assuming since it's Swarovski, those are real crystals in there, but I don't see a price anywhere. It says necklace simple CRY/RHS, so crystal rhinestones, I'm assuming is what that means on this little tag. So let's count them up and see what we got. This Swarovski is 1,
2,
okay, 3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9, 10. Sorry, did I mess you up with the 9, 10?
yeah. 11,
12,
13,
14. Uh-oh, are we missing one? Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, it's stuck to the magnet. Ah.
14,
15.
15.
All right, so we got exactly 15, which is fine. That's what the box is, 15 pieces. What is your favorite one?
This one.
The Kendra Scott. Okay, that was a little heart necklace, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. Mine. I'll go with this other Kendra Scott necklace just because I don't know anything about them, but I've heard good things, so I'm interested to see how this will do. Everything looks to be in pretty good shape. I didn't notice any flaws up front other than the little spot on this one Coach bangle, but yeah, everything looks pretty good. So let us know in the comments down below what your favorite item was and what you thought of this box. Also, I want to take a moment to talk about her makeup. She did it herself. It looks pretty good, and it perfectly matches as intended, her little Y2K top, so I'm very proud. And she's gonna be embarrassed now. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. And if you're not already subscribed,
please do so now.
yes, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here in this weird little family here on the internet. And I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.